Hello guys, we are Nyantechi TV. TV ma dedicate Ediamo Asante Kotoko. A brief bia Maya Madwin say mekwa kofa updates, stories. The AC ewa dakwajachi anase Kotoko camp na mede abrel. Any day ni obrasi be pacho kindly subscribe to this channel Nyantechi TV. Na de bia wo biara a wontumi enante enkwada kwajachi no me man nyet said ye wo ho no bibia yesi wo bia no I will just bring it to you. Yeah, the bebro ama won so wo fie wo abrochire, wherever you find yourself, you can also at least have a feel of what is actually happening at Adakwajachi. And I'm koi na training e koso, and then na training koso, and then no na enye ball of sorry na enye more of ball work na, and then no aye physicals, and then no mo koto no mo hri ne ye chobo mo na ha mo pejja mo nan mo nan mo hormone stretch it, and na coach ne ne ni abre papa na me hu se wache team ni mo mienu some of these new guys or maba no age na one side and adada for no so or the other side, and me hu se obi bia na wo training ho bia de no hwahima o mo ye training no kama na me koyes me hu se supporters no, and then na ye shada no so because na weather ne nye weather ne ne wie ma yekusu kakra na sa awo enso ewum nti me ye na me ye ma dwe so okay fine, and ye mesan so akọ no makọ ba bia ye Koroko gym center no me de stories free ho bre mo ache na memfa updates from the gym center eno na mo hwe no na memfa mrel, but me call me hu ade bi I realize the first training pitch no on the second one no was yo second one no they were working on it na me hu say workers no moto brubi and I said the na knapsack spray no and sprayer no e bi bo machi a womode ebo adrubi. I cannot tell what exactly the net here now they were applying some chemicals or whatever, because baby na me won na me said that man, but you could see from afar say now they were applying something omo DBB omo as omo spray at the good pitch and so enti me knew at the crowd number, so it tells they are still working on it. So the bear I think the quality no mo pe no omo nyanyan enti de na me hu se omo nipa mienu ye mu adwuma den. Then the old picture na there, to be very honest, said na no na ye ka Baba Yara sports stadium say Baba Yara pitch no aye basa no Kotoko training grounds, the current training pitch no looks so bad. It is not in a best of shape, and yet shape a woman, I must tell you, and yet so me GD say you started league here ya drop say Kotoko encha I think ye third or fourth match any across of folk neighbor na ye ne some of these teams ebebo na even puno ye shede nim baby a venue a ye de ba bebo ye league no pay for e mo mani nko pitch no ho, especially the first training pitch de nye na so bu wie na say de dash ye ono so mo be ye ho adwuma na no so maye na me bora the training and I say Koroko gym center no eno na etwagu no me realize this as I said the first interview na me ne contractor na di kan na me post you na mo share wo channel issue no contractor ma meti assess na he needed say a big compact ye a floor no on the cast floor na san compact ye and anye den nsu antu ma na anye den ya na o faso na ye kum and to avoid that no obema nipa nanti so na workers na ye nanti so na nsu otogum na a compact ye ansana o makast so it is okay ya who say some of the places no maybe na wo mu odan no na won say tu anwea e dia fele baby even higher chi gym center no na chi na me twa chirewi on say wo hwe ha won say tu anwea na egua no e dia fele inside ni nyina e di ba bia ono contractor ne ba hu say atekọ form no na wo hwe form ne ba bi gura na me hu sa se ba bia pai because we be a paya and can yet dine home a dine one make us a crack, but a form. A family baby apai. It means that now as whether say a nipa nante so no and answer you shoot to go for no and I'm a pie dia. I cannot tell, but na me who say baby apai. So it tells say and as a church say na e was say yes answer tree about Emma adiana eta and I say you shoot to go na ye din ye. Aha anti aha ne de ne nya hwe Sada me di video no betche mo no. Okay, I do lentil no pepepe. Se ka se flour perfect. Be bia cost na omoto minim the number of courses omoto but e do be bia do here. What you say do lentil pepepe. Ye betimi abo structure na na dey ye flow so. Nti ahanum na the gym area no baby first na me show na me kasa na ehonum na ye baby washroom any changing room ni baby players ni be issue any nyina no ehona na me makwa kutwa me yade be de kire mu no ehono aha we baby tisa omotutututu anwea mu ni bia yede e de agugu so ahanso ye na bonten omaye pillars no any ade wo ho a enti na de wo no aha players no mo wie training na omo yede omo eko baby omo da no enti kakra na me call ya menya ya me de brem no mo me support to Asante Kotoko mo ma yemfa de ibetumi ya ho odi nyina ntai team nachi na ye ya team no say make us a pitch no whatever pitch na aha first pitch na de bra enye kra enye ntimpanyifo mo mani nko enye na se be wie second one ntem ne ye beko akwa issue no am feel say ebeboa pepa cho me din de Samuel usu nyantachi aha eye nyantachi TV de bia meko adakwaja ache na makwa kofa updates na my day na media bro we are not allowed to take images and our pictures and our video from what training na mo ye no so mo ye wi a uti bitwa inti o mo wi a players ne ko froka no kakra minya ya me de bro no patcho subscribe to this channel na nyankopon inshallah koso ne support akumase Asante Kotoko me da se bye bye.